Hello beautiful people, welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Yasmin here. Today I'm sharing with you one of our favorite turkey sausage and turkey mincemeat recipe. This particular recipe has tomatoes in it. I'm using plum tomatoes as well as cherry tomatoes. And then I'm also using a mosaic or rainbow of peppers, yellow peppers, orange and red peppers. It's super delicious, nice and healthy for you. So I hope you stick around long enough to see how I pull together this beautiful and amazing dish. I'm using 1 teaspoon or so of extra virgin olive oil and I have the heat on medium high. I'm removing the thin skin from fresh turkey sausage. I'm using 1 pound of spicy sausage. Add in my sausage carefully. And you want to use your spoon to break it up. Looks amazing. I'm removing the cooked sausage to a bowl. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil more. I'm going to add the turkey. I'm using the back of the spoon to break up the turkey meat. And then I'm going to cook this until it's no longer pink. I'm going to remove this to the same bowl with the sausage. I'm going to turn the heat down to medium. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of EVVO. I'm going to add in my onions. I'm going to add in my peppers. And I'm going to add in my celery. I'm going to season this with some salt and some fresh ground black pepper. I'm cooking the peppers for 5 minutes. Okay, I'm adding in my fresh garlic. This is about 1 tablespoon fresh garlic, 2 teaspoons fresh thyme leaves. I'm cooking this for about 30 seconds or so. Okay, now is a great time to add in my tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes half and plum tomatoes that have been half. Let's add some salt. I'm adding in the cooked ground turkey and sausage. I'm going to season it well with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Adding about a good 1/4 cup of scallions. Look at that beautiful color. I'm going to add in about 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Okay, so I'm turning down the heat to medium-low and I'm going to allow this to simmer so that all of that flavor could be marinated into the meat. Simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. Oh, looks amazing. Like and subscribe, it's much appreciated. Perfect. I hope you'll try it and like it as much as we do around here. Until next time, happy cooking.